Lamborghini Huracan STO, a special version of Lambo's shy, understated supercar. Only joking. It's a nutter and the most hardcore Huracan you can buy, if you have £250,000 to spare. Although with options, this one's closer to 300,000. Although I could probably live without the £3,000 carbon floor mats.
STO is for Super Trofeo Omologato. It is for Lambo what Pista is to Ferrari or LT for McLaren. Think of it as a cross between the Super Trofeo Racer and the regular road-going Huracan. It is essentially a track toy with number plates. It is the Huracan in its lightest, most aggro form. At its heart is Lambo's familiar 5.2-litre V10 engine, but it's been turned up to make 631 horsepower. And it's also lost weight. The glass is thinner, the wheels are magnesium, and 75% of the bodywork is carbon fibre. And unlike the regular Huracan, which is four-wheel drive, this one comes in rear-wheel drive only. It's got rear-wheel steer with torque vectoring for super sharp cornering, which will be perfect for our completely straight tunnel.
Lamborghini loves a speedy badge, and STO is the latest in a long line of them. It all started in 1971 with SV, Super Veloce or Super Fast. It was first used on the Miura SV and famously on the Murcielago. Then there's Jota, the Spanish for J. Long story short, it was a nod to Section J of the FIA's old racing rulebook. Put them together and you get SVJ for Super Veloce Jota, recently reserved for the most extreme Aventadors. There's Evo for Evolutions of a Beast, and VT for viscous traction or four-wheel drive, first seen on the Diablo. QV was for Quattro Valvole, or 4 valves per cylinder, debuted on the Countach. S was for speed, probably. And there were proper words too. Superleggera is for super light, and you don't need Duolingo to translate performante. And of course, Balboni, Lambo's legendary test driver, whose name appeared on a rear-wheel drive, super slidey Gallardo.